Hi everyone. So in this video lecture, we are going to discuss about topics like media strategy, meaning of media strategy, its components, media objectives, media plan. So let's come to the media strategy. So if you define a strategy means it is a selected set of actions. Strategy is a selected set of actions, selected set of, in fact, plans which are considered to be the best action to reach the objective. So you have certain objectives and how to reach. So for that you have certain plans. So that those plans are known as strategies, right? So media strategy contains which which media to use. So in media strategy we finalize, we plan about which media to use. In the earlier video lecture, we discussed about different media class and different media vehicles. So we have to decide which media class we have to use for our communication, which will be the most appropriate media. Then again, we have to understand which specific vehicle to be used under that generic class. So for that we have to analyze our the consumption pattern, the media consumption pattern of our target audience. So who are our target and what what media they are consuming. Then the timing. So when we analyze the consumption pattern, media consumption pattern of our timing, media consumption pattern of our target audience, this timing is also analyzed, that at what time our target audience consumes what kind of media. So do people, do our target audience read newspaper in the morning, in the or at what time they watch TVs, at what time they watch what kind of programs. So all these analysis and insights play a vital role in defining our strategy or fine tuning our strategy. Then then the placement of ad. If we want to place an ad in a newspaper or in a magazine, at what at in which page we have to place? Should it be in the front page? Should it be in the second? If you are using magazine, where our advertisement to be placed? In the program also, when it should be placed? In the beginning of the program, in the middle of the program. uh, so a lot of decisions are related to this strategic planning. So most important decision is the selection of right media vehicle and right media class and the timing. So now let's understand the objective. So media objectives are defined as as our goals, as our expectations from the communication which we are making through these media or media vehicle. So we have certain objectives from a specific media, from a specific media vehicle, from a specific media campaign. So those expectations, those goals are our objective. Say for example, I want to create awareness among 10% of audience within first 3 months of our launch. So this can be our objective. So we are launching a product in a specific geography, and our objective is to create awareness from 0% to 10% among the target audience within a time period of 3 months. So this is our objective, and for that we are using television, we are using a specific TV channel or a specific radio channel or a specific newspaper or a specific magazine, whatever. So media objective includes set of important things which help the advertisements to achieve the marketing goals. So one example, I stated that I want to achieve 10% of increase 10% of awareness from 0% within 3 months of the launch. So this is my marketing goal. So, this is one example of objective. So to achieve media objectives, first we have to determine the target audience. Who are our target audience based on the target market? Then we have to determine the needed reach and frequency to achieve marketing goals. So just one example which I just stated, that I want to achieve 10% of people to be aware about our brand. Earlier it was 0%, and now my objective is to reach 10% of awareness level within 3 months. So for that, how much, what kind of reach will be required? What kind of frequency will be required to achieve that marketing goal? So we have to understand what kind of media we have to use, what kind of media vehicle we have to use. So all these are part of media objectives. So on the basis of media objectives, we create our strategic planning, media planning. So in this media objectives, we will discuss a very detailed concept that is known as Dagmar concept, defining advertising goal for measured advertising result. So we will discuss in the coming days, we will discuss that concept, which is specifically related to the advertising objectives of if, any uh, advertising campaigns. Now, media planning. So media planning means, in a basic sense, the goal of the media plan is to find that combination of media that enables the marketer to communicate the message in the most effective manner to the largest number of potential customers at the lowest cost. So that is the objective of our media planning. So we want to be effective as well as we want to be efficient. So we have to achieve our objective, largest number of potential customers. So that can be our objective, and at lowest cost. So that is the crux of media planning. So what are the things which uh, which are covered under this media plan? So number one, the target audience, the analysis of target audience, and the selection of our target audience. Uh, so I believe you understand the concept of segmentation, targeting, and positioning. So we have to, before any marketing campaign, we have to define our segment, define our target. So target audience analysis, their consumption, media consumption analysis of the target audience, then our communication objectives, media and vehicle selection, then media strategy, then budget, that is very important, then reach and frequency. So all these are the components of media plan. So with aligning all these, we can define our strategy and make a media plan. Thank you.